Hi guys, how you doing? You know, when I first came in Bangalore, I was like completely lost and I don't know what I was going to do it. You know, so many times I thought about my purpose, but it was like blank. And I know many of us here is facing the same thing. As I go on with my life, there was a time that what is the reason I'm here? And it was like very frustrating. And it's the same thing that you're feeling now. You have been thinking about your purpose for a quite long time. You prayed for it. You were asking for the people. But still, you're not understanding what is the purpose, isn't it? I'll tell you today. It's very, very simple. You know, the key word here is finding the purpose. But many of us, what we're doing here is thinking about a purpose. The purpose will never come by thinking. You think, not gonna happen. You want to know your purpose, go find out there. You explore yourself. Do something which you have never done it before. So the thing, what I'm trying to tell you is, every day I'm going out there, I'm doing something, I'm finding my purpose, and I'm much more clearer than before now. So stop thinking about your purpose. You're not going anywhere by thinking about it. Start going out, find your purpose, do something again and again. If it's not working out, do another thing. The more you do it, the faster you will know your purpose. We will meet again, most probably tomorrow. Have a great day.